There's Squirtle trying to do his thing. Yeah, she's gonna give in. I don't know what birds those are that are hollering at each other. Oh, we're gonna have a swamp. Oh, so Squirtle took his turn, and now Twinkie's got to take his turn. I have a pond in the backyard now. The babies are doing fine, even in the wet weather. Boy, he's just relentless, isn't he? Oh, see how the goose put out the little reminder that he needs to take it easy? Okay. Okay, good. Everyone's sitting so nicely. Okay, so it's a crummy day. Wait, I gotta see what's what. There's one for Cooper. There's one for Serena. There's one for Bandit. So we're just gonna do pig ears on the patio. Yeah, because it's too rainy and gross to sit out in the yard. We meant to give them these yesterday, again, before the rain came. But we got busy and then we forgot. And so I'm enjoying some pinon wood in the chimenea. Enjoying the cool weather while the dogs have their pig ears on the patio. Life is good. Good babies. So good. Day 2. I think we're gonna have, it's like 10 days of this. Anybody need some water? See if there's any ducks over here. So I have green beans left over from the batch of dog food I just put on. The green beans are going to get chopped up and tossed out to the ducks and geese as a treat, because this is a good healthy treat for them. So just thought for any of you that might have a little of something left over from time to time, you're not sure what to do with it. Ducks can eat pretty much anything people can eat, aside from some spices and chocolate, alcohol, things like that. But if you've got some produce around and you don't use it all, or you're worried that it's going to go bad, toss it out to the ducks. Just a small batch of dog food going today. It's lamb, bison, turkey, chicken gizzards and hearts, and green beans. So again, this is going to cook all day until everything is just pretty much mush. And then I can mash it up and put it in the containers for the fridge and freezer. Oh, and there's brown rice in it too. And as always, I've got some ground turmeric and my calcium powder made from the duck eggshells. I just donated all of the eggs to Good Shepherd Rescue. There was an adoption event this weekend that just passed. So someone came to pick up all my eggs. I do have, about a dozen eggs in the refrigerator, but we'll just crack eggs over their meals and give them eggs that way this time. They're cleaning the crock pot for me. I made some dog food. So they're cleaning the crock pot. Bandit got to lick the spoon and the ladle because his head won't fit in there. His head won't fit in at the same time. My goodness, it's good, isn't it? It sure is, Mama. It's good stuff, Mama. That's good. Thank you, Cooper. That's good. Thank you. Thank you for washing that for me. Sam, what are you cooking? What are you cooking? Why are you in the crock pot, honey? The crock is in the sink, but Sam's in the pot. Sam! Sam, why are you in the crock pot, honey? Oh my goodness, you're so silly. What a silly girl.